Hi, this is amazing Kent from Malaysia. So I have this data here, 3 page, right? Malaysia have a state called Sabah, and there is Selangor and Johor, right? So we're gonna turn this, right? Gonna find ways to actually combine all these into a single worksheet, right? Well, we used to do something like this, right? Copy this and put it here. You go to Selangor and you copy it and come here and you paste it. Oh no, you gotta use this, right? You can delete that. So yeah, something like that, right? But um yeah, but this doesn't work. You can see that. Um, but what if you have 10 worksheets or 20 worksheets, right? And you want to find a way that's easier to say to do, right? Now in Microsoft Excel Power Query or the call get and transform, right? There's a quicker way than that. So first of all, you gotta convert everything into an Excel table, right? So convert that to Excel table. You go to Home and you click on Format Table, and that's it, right? And after that, give that a name called uh, for this is Sabah table, and for this is Selangor, and likewise, right? So we have this Excel.currentworkbook, right? And we can actually use that. So let's head to after you turn every worksheet into a respective Excel table, give them a name, right? And then we can actually go to this data tab, right? Under get and transform, go to from other sources and click on this blank query. And it's right here. We type in this excel.currentworkbook and hit enter. And right, we have some additional items that we don't need, right? So what we do is that you highlight this column, right, and then kind of choose does not contain, right? We're going to remove this, right? So we use that does not contain. So really just want all those rows that does not contain the exclamation mark. Okay, then we want to change this Sabah table, right? So we can remove that table by easily by using this replace value under the home tab. Replace value, and here you type in table, click OK, and finally we select everything, click OK. So if there's a prefix, you can use that, but I just don't have. Oh, they do have, right? Let's just uncheck that. Click on this, uncheck this, click OK. So that's the difference. You can see that there is no prefix for that. So we basically combine everything easily. After that, you click close, close and load to load to. You can have two options, right? One is loading to a connections, just to keep a connections, right? The other is right. There are many methods they can use of, right? So I just choose this. Okay. So what if we want to find the medians of these, right? You can actually find that. It will be another watch another video then. Thank you very much, right? So as I say, right, I think amazing. I believe amazing, and you can do amazing things. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.